of moving, have you considered a new home community? Have you considered buying a home where you are the first person to live in it? I'm Casey Serafino-Lee, Realtor, to my Hayward area friends and neighbors, and I'm here to tell you that buying a new home is an exciting opportunity and not everyone considers this option. I, like everyone else, loves touring new homes. Not only do I get design ideas, I love to see the spaciousness and the layouts. However, when you go through a new home development, you talk to the sales agent there. Let me caution you, that sales agent works for the builder. They're super knowledgeable, but again, they work for the builder. They represent and are paid by the builder. You want someone there to represent you. Did you know that having a realtor represent you when you purchase a new home doesn't cost you a dime? Are you interested in maybe purchasing a new home? Contact me, Casey Serafino-Lee. And as always, have a great home buying and selling day.